welcome to 4th of July story time. 4th of July, also known as Independence Day, when we declared our independence from Great Britain in 1776, the colonies did. Hence this big map you have over here, I'll show you. Boop. United States declared their independence, hence the name Independence Day. So let's get started. We are going to do our Take and Make craft. This is in the children's department while supplies last. This is a fun little popper. And we are going to read this fun story. So let's get started. Red, white, and boom. Red, white, blue, curbside view. Flags unfurl, batons twirl. Sticky pages, here we go. Bugles call, marchers tall. Glossy boots, gloved salutes. Whistles drill, fifers trill. Shoulder seat, thumping beat. July 4th drums down the street. Nice. Ooh, I like this. Blue, red, white, tugging kite. That's where I want to be, the beach. It's a hot one today. Frisbee zips, doggy flips. Spike the ball, picnic sprawl. Corn cob sweet, trippy treat. Melon grins, juicy chins. Where's your chin? Hot foot dash, splatter splash. Castle moats, seaweed boats. Shoulder seat, seagull fleet. July 4th with sandy feet. Fireflies flit. Sparklers spit. Pinwheels spin. Goosebump skin. That looks fun. In the park. Oh no, it's getting dark. Fireworks, 9 p.m. the sign says. Peacock plume, sunburst bloom, starflake spill, heart thump thrill. Boom, 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 boom. Did anyone go to the fireworks? I did. Rockets wing, zoo, crackle, sing, burst and zoom, red, white, boom. Oohs, ahs, cheers, yay, applause. Shoulder sighs, drowsy eyes. I'm getting sleepy, it's dark and late. White, blue, and red, sleepy head. July 4th parades, home to bed. The end. Happy 4th of July, everyone. So first up, we are going to take our Take and Make bag and empty our contents. You will have some stickers, this sheet, and some poppers, as well as this tube. So you are going to cut and glue this sheet to go around your roll right here. When you're done, it should look like this. In the bag are additional stickers that you can add, little stars to put wherever you want to decorate. In the bag you will also find this confetti. You're going to fill your popper up as best as you can. Now, this is the trick of these. You have to put them in and you have to pull back really tight, further than you think, and whoop, pop, yay! Have fun with your poppers, guys.